Thus, Avatar, as we saw in the earlier stories, Lord Vishnu from time to time came down to the earth to save mankind and especially protect Dharma because he is a protector, a sustainer of Dharma. This time he comes in the form of Vamana, that is, a short-statured Brahman. During those days, Bali was the king of the Asuras and he was very strong and powerful. He wanted to be the king of heaven, earth and all the areas. So he started doing sacrifices with the help of Shukracharya, his preceptor. Out of that sacrifice came out a golden chariot, armor and weapons. With the help of that, Bali started fighting. He created havoc in heaven and everywhere. All the devtas were very worried and he went to Lord Indra, that is the devtas, and fought. And Bali was invincible, so the devtas were defeated. After defeating them, he started ruling over heaven also. Now Bali was very happy. At the same time, the devta Lord Indra and all the other devas were all worried. So they went to Brihaspati and asked for help. But Brihaspati said, as I cannot help you, the best thing is that you go down and vacate the heaven. It is not a good time for you and wait till Bali's guru curses him. Lord Indra did as Brihaspati advised. Now in the meantime, Aditi, who was the wife of the sage Kashyap, was very worried for the devtas. And when Kashyap came from his meditation, she told the whole fact why she was worried. Kashyap said, I cannot help you much. You have to take the help of Lord Vishnu. And what you do is, you do fasting for 12 days without having anything excepting milk. And all the time you meditate on Narayan, that is Vishnu. So she did it for 12 days. And on the 13th day, she saw a Brahmin had come, a short-statured Brahmin. Actually, Lord Vishnu had taken the form of this Brahmin and was in front of Aditi. So he said, I am going to help you to fight against Bali. After that, the Brahmin went to Bali, who was performing sacrifices, horse sacrifice, to get more valor and strength. Suddenly Bali saw a bright light near him entering the door and proceeding. He thought the sun rays have come or some god has come. And then he saw a short-statured Brahmin, that is Vamana, was standing in front of him. He welcomed him, washed his feet.
And one special thing about King Bali was he used to do lot of charity and alms giving. So whoever demanded anything from him, he gave it. He never sent anyone empty-handed. So Lord Vishnu as a dwarf asked for 3 steps of land. Now Bali was quite surprised. Only 3 steps of land? He said, yes, I'm satisfied with that only. So he said, okay, carry on with your wish. Now the Vaman changed into a huge figure and he took one step, a big step, which covered the whole earth. Another step that covered the whole heaven. Now remained the underground, which is called Patal. So what Bali did, he put his head down. Vaman put his legs on top of his head and said, you go down to underground world and rule there forever.
So this way, Lord Vishnu as a Vamana saved the devtas from the Asuras. Thank you.